Have you ever looked at the gold ring on your finger or the necklace around your neck and wondered where it truly came from? We usually think it must have come from a mine. But what if I told you that every atom of gold is a witness to a cosmic epic, born long before the Earth itself and some of the universe's most violent and powerful explosions?
This gold you see, its creation didn't happen on Earth. It was born, you could say, in the factories of stars. Scientists talk about two main processes. The first one is a supernova. When a star much larger than our sun runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity and explodes violently. In the extreme heat and pressure of this explosion, heavy elements like gold, silver, and platinum form from elements such as iron or nickel.
So, we've heard about supernovas for a long time, but recently scientists mentioned a more specific event that is even more important for gold creation?
Absolutely, and this is now the most accepted theory. It's called a kilonova.
Kilonova?
Yes, it happens when two neutron stars, the ultra-dense remains of dead stars, orbit each other and spiral in until they collide.
Oh, I see.
This collision is so powerful that it distorts
the fabric of space-time itself.
Exactly. And during this impact, enormous amounts of gold, platinum, and heavy elements like uranium are created and scattered across space.
So, this idea is no longer just theoretical.
No, scientists have literally seen this happen. It was an extraordinary discovery.
Yes, in 2017, scientists observed a kilonova for the first time. By analyzing the light from the event, they found direct evidence of gold. It was a groundbreaking moment in cosmic research.
Then how did this cosmic explosion deliver gold to Earth? When you think about it, it's astonishing.
After the explosion, gold and other heavy elements drifted through space as clouds of dust and gas for billions of years.
Then, around 4.5 billion years ago, when our solar system was forming, this dust came together to form asteroids. During Earth's early years, it experienced a cosmic gold rain.
Gold rain?
Yes, asteroids and meteorites rich in gold crashed into the young Earth, depositing this treasure deep underground.
So, all the gold on Earth is a gift from space. But how much gold is there really?
Very little, and this limited supply is one of the main reasons for gold's high price. Here's a comparison.
Tell me.
All the gold ever mined in human history would only fill about 3 Olympic-sized swimming pools.
Only 3. All the gold on Earth fits into that. That fact alone explains half of why gold is so expensive. Incredible.
Exactly. Extreme rarity is its biggest reason for value. Add to that some amazing properties. Gold never rusts, never decays, and conducts electricity beautifully. For thousands of years, these qualities have made it a symbol of wealth, luxury, and currency.
And this rarity also makes gold an economic safety net. When the world economy struggles, like inflation rises or the dollar weakens, investors turn to gold as a safe asset, right?
Exactly. That's why gold is called a safe haven. Investors take money out of stocks and buy gold. This increases global demand, driving the price up.
I see.
In markets like COMEX in New York, the future price of gold is determined, and this affects the entire world.
And these global waves reach the jewelry shops in Bangladesh directly. How is the price set in our country?
In Bangladesh, gold prices are set by the Bangladesh Jewelers Association, BAJUS. They consider several factors. First, the international market price. Second, the dollar exchange rate, since gold is imported with dollars.
Right.
Third, government taxes, duties, and VAT. And finally, local demand. Considering all this, they announce a new price.
As we've seen recently, compared to 2022, the price of 22-karat gold nearly doubled by 2024, reaching around 118,000 taka per bori. Global trends played a role, but I believe Bangladesh's dollar shortage is also a major factor.
Absolutely. But in Bangladesh, gold is not just a safe investment. It is deeply tied to our culture and identity.
That's true.
From bridal jewelry to ceremonies like Annaprashan to religious festivals, gold is woven into our traditions. It is more than ornament. It's a symbol of family heritage, emotion, and blessings.
Amazing. Gold that was born from a star's violent death now represents creation and stability on Earth. What an incredible connection between cosmic destruction and human civilization.
Let me leave you with one final question.
Of course.
The element born from the ruins of stars has become our most desired treasure. But when Earth's gold mines finally dry up, will we search for new gold in asteroids? Or by then, will humanity discover something even more valuable? Let's keep that question open for thought.
That's all for today. Thank you.
Thank you.